Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A04s. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. And there are two versions of the A04s, one with a charging adapter and one without. If you're having the one without the charging adapter, it looks like this here. So here spin the phone in and here you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings and release it. And otherwise, if you're having a charger, you will need this box here. So here's been the cable in, the charging cable and the power adapter. So below the cable, you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings here as well, and you can, you have released it. Okay, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone, the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card, what is very nice to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the middle. So this is how it should look like then. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. It has the first position here. Don't know why, but it is like that. So also here, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below here as well. Okay, and if you want, you can extend also the internal storage with a micro SD card. Everything at the same time. So it goes here to the last position. Fix it well here. So this is how it should look like then. And of course, you can use the micro SD card also with just one SIM card. That is also possible. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and after, just put back this construction back into the SIM slot. Carefully that nothing jumps out. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.